Hello everyone, wherever part of the world you are in, welcome to Techmsafi. In this session, I will show you how to set up Teneo DEPIN project, how you can set up the extension on your browser. I will also show you how to link your wallet and be ready for the upcoming airdrop. As you all know, that Teneo DEPIN project is going to be one of the biggest airdrop which will be launching very soon. This will come after Crash and the NotPay DEPIN project. So guys, without wasting much ado, let's get started. First, on the official website teneo.pro, they highlight every details concerning their DEPIN project. You can see the statistics currently 1.2 million community nodes. So this is the official website for Teneo.pro. I will leave the link in the description, and all other links regarding on how to set up the node, I will leave them in the description. Now, as you can see just right here about community nodes, that's about the decentralized physical infrastructure DEPIN. So decentralized rewards users earn Teneo by running nodes, securely scraping data. So by the end of this airdrop, we will getting an airdrop with the token Teneo. So we are actually super early, and you are very lucky you're watching this video at the moment, because you are among the early adopters currently. So I'm gonna go directly and show you how you can set up. So we're gonna click get started. Now gonna find the download the node extension. Just a moment, I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna get paid in Teneo tokens for simply running a node that accesses public social media data. It's easy, passive, and you earn from the value you contribute. So everyone never miss this DEPIN project. This is going to be a massive DEPIN project. So without really wasting much ado, let's find out how we can. Let's just set up the node. So click on download the node extension. It will take you to another section, install Chrome extension. Then you already have installed. So after you install pin, click on the extension icon and pin. Then you're gonna click join now. First time you gonna just sign up, provide your email, password, confirm password, referral code. Now for referral code, guys, make sure you check the link in the description. Check in the description, you'll find the referral code. Also you can check the pinned comment, you'll find the referral code. Make sure to use a referral code, because it will give you additional bonus for just using a referral code, everyone. So after you register, just sign in. Then you can find more information about on the dashboard. You can find everything about the Teneo. You can find rewards section. Now here you can link our wallet. Just click link now. Then you will get 50,000 points. I'm gonna use MetaMask. You can use a different wallet like OKX or a different one as well. Apart from OKX, just hit connect. then just confirm. Then wallet linked successfully. Then you got now 50,000 points. Now let's link our Twitter account, engage with Teneo on X. So first thing, we have to connect to wallet here. Verify ownership in order to receive rewards. Wallet must be ident to the wallet you linked in your dashboard. So they are saying it must be the same one you used in the dashboard. So let's just connect the same wallet. I'm gonna connect wallet, MetaMask. And just connect. My wallet will be connected, and then I will sign in to verify. You sign in to verify that you are the owner of this address, wallet address. So hit confirm, then one wallet is verified. Now let's connect X. Just click authorize app. Just check if it was successful. First time it wasn't as successful, so I will wait for the timer 250 seconds to end, and then I will be right back. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Let's now reconnect our X account. After the timer is ending, I'm now hitting reconnect for the second time. Hit connect X. Authorize app. And this time round, my Teneo Twitter X account will be connected successfully. So I'm gonna scroll, then to successful. First thing, I need to follow Teneo protocol. So click, then I'm gonna follow them. Tweet, I'm gonna like a tweet by Teneo protocol. Then like a tweet by Teneo protocol again. Repost. Now it's complete. I'm gonna confirm I'm not a robot, then submit the data. Thank you for engaging with X. That was successful. Twitter, I was successfully verified. Now let's go to the next step. Now by connecting X, you can see my points rise, rose recent. Then I'll be getting again 50,000 points. So I'm gonna just claim the points. Click claim my points for engaging successful. I got the points. It can take up to 48 hours to reflect in your account, so no action is needed. So I'm gonna relax and wait for 48 hours to elapse. Now last thing here is just for me to connect Discord account. I'll just gonna set up my browser, and then it connect to X. Same, just sign in to verify. As we connected our X account, just say same procedure. First thing, we sign in to verify. Sign in to verify. I'm gonna hit confirm, just hitting confirm. On my MetaMask, then connect Discord. So it connect Discord. Just hit continue, proceed that. Gonna agree. Then after few seconds, my Discord will gonna be connected. Just give it some few seconds. Yeah, it's connected, and what is required is just for me to join Teneo protocol server. Click on join Teneo protocol server. Accept invite. And then I will be into the Teneo protocol Discord server. I'm now in. So just to finish last touches, you must complete a few more steps before just it complete. Once you hit complete, scroll down, then I've read and agree to rules, submit. Then that step verification, it verify. Then solve the captcha that you will be provided. Captcha successfully solved. Now I return to my Teneo dashboard and just claim my free points. So refresh, good, and then confirm you are not a robot, then submit. Discord connection is complete. Now everything believe now is done. Now you can just go claim your Discord points. Then now you can proceed, guys. You can just continue on running this DEPIN extension every day. You just come to the extension on the extensions page, then just confirm that it's connected like so, and it connect not. As I said earlier in the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, for all the links regarding Teneo dashboard, you can find them in the description. And in case you need some clarification, just let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching until the end. Let me see you again in the next one. And remember to smash that subscribe button, like this video, because I'm gonna be dropping more alpha projects showing you detailed procedures on how to perform various DEPIN projects, features, and everything you just need to know. So keep it locked here, and we meet again in the next one. Bye for now.